Now available from Prime Aircraft, this 2000 Learjet 45 delivers exceptional performance, comfort, and reliability in a sleek mid-size jet. Designed for 8 passengers, the cabin offers refined finishes, generous space, and a quiet, comfortable environment for work or relaxation. Powered by twin Honeywell engines, it cruises above 460 knots and reaches altitudes up to 51,000 feet with ease. The advanced Honeywell avionics suite ensures precision, confidence, and smooth operation every flight. With a range of more than 1,400 nautical miles, depending on payload and conditions, this aircraft offers exceptional mission flexibility. Whether you're flying coast to coast or connecting major business hubs across North America. Inside, the Learjet 45 provides an executive-class environment, comfortable seating, indirect cabin lighting, full connectivity options, and an enclosed lavatory. For owners and operators, this model represents one of the smartest values in private aviation, combining outstanding performance, proven reliability, and manageable operating costs. Contact Prime Aircraft today for more information.